We are watching for kind of one main period of rain, which will be here late tomorrow into early on Sunday. So a good chunk of your Saturday is going to be dry. A good chunk of Sunday, especially in the afternoon, will be dry. It's that in-between period, especially Sunday morning that we're watching. That's why Sunday is an impact day, and then we will turn cooler as we head into Monday as sunshine returns as well. A lot of the rain that we saw today is fizzling out now as we continue getting into the evening hours. That has held our temperatures down. Two kind of main areas of rain left for now. One in the eastern portions of Westmoreland County. It's about to cross into Somerset and Cambria County. So east of Latrobe, Ligonier, stretching up 7-11 towards Seward, and then back down as well towards Donegal and the Turnpike, seeing some light to moderate rainfall falling here. The other batch is down along I-68, where we've seen a lot of rain today in the last couple of days. We're now east, though, of Cheat Lake through parts of Preston and Garrett counties from about 219 back west as you head back towards Brandonville, seeing some rain and some moderate downpours are here as well. Again, we'll see a bit of a break tomorrow before showers return late in the day. That will allow us to warm back to 86. 83 on Sunday. Again, the impact portion is mainly in the morning as we'll watch for flooding concerns from rain overnight. And then it's beautiful. The humidity drops and temperatures will be comfortable as we start the new week. So again, those showers that are out there now will continue fizzling out. We'll see a mainly dry later evening and overnight hours tonight. So outdoor plans, things should be okay tonight. Tomorrow we'll start with clouds and we'll see a mix of sun and clouds through the day tomorrow. But a pretty nice afternoon across western Pennsylvania. As we get to and past sunset, rain showers begin returning across western Pennsylvania, and they'll filter through in a scattered variety through the overnight until about midday Sunday. That's when the cold front finally pushes through. Once it clears, humidity drops and skies clear. So the second half of Sunday is great. Again, it's that morning time frame we're watching, and we'll keep sunshine and lower humidity as we head into the new week. By the time we're done, likely about a half an inch or so in some heavier spots. There is potential with some thunderstorms or rain over top of the same locations that you could potentially see an inch or two in very localized spots. That's why, again, we have the impact day for Sunday morning, as it won't be everybody, but several people have the potential to see that. It's cloudy on Action Cam, 74. That's it for us. Winds are light. It's been a very gray and kind of cool day today. We'll start about 70 tomorrow, again finish in the upper 80s as we head through the day. After our cool down Monday and Tuesday, it's hot again. 90 Wednesday, 92 on Thursday, and we'll stay hot and humid late next week, where they'll reintroduce shower chances next Friday and Saturday.